so shiny and red. B is for boy with a cap on his head. C is for cat who meows in delight. D is for dog who barks with might. E is for elephant so big and strong. F is for frog who hops all day long. G is for giraffe so tall and grand. H is for hat that sits on your hand. I is for igloo, chilly and white. J is for jelly, a wobbly sight. K is for kite flying up so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest in a big tall tree. O is for octopus swimming with grace. P is for penguin in a cold icy place. Q is for queen with a crown so bright. R is for rainbow, a colorful sight. S is for sun that shines in the sky. T is for train as it rushes by. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin with tunes that amaze. W is for whale big in the sea. X is for xylophone playing with glee. Y is for yo-yo spinning around. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now you know your ABCs. Sing along and learn with me. Now you know your ABCs. Sing along and learn with me. Now you know your ABCs. Sing along